Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0 TDI D7F with 150 horsepower. This stunning blue 5-door estate Jeep is a dream on wheels. With 67432 kilometers on the clock, this diesel automatic beauty is a powerhouse of comfort, safety and style. Enjoy features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking for a seamless driving experience. With ABS, lane departure warning and trailer stability program, safety is always a priority. The chroma package and privacy glass add a touch of sophistication. Rest assured with a full health check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this gem. Contact us today at mullingarautos.ie. Drive away in style with the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0 TDI D7F, your perfect partner on the road.